Masks are so important. Mask. A toner that I absolutely love. Before I used to use Clinique toner, and the toner from Clinique, there's a demo that I would like to do next time with Noelle. Is that she was saying that the toner from Clinique has such high alcohol content that actually takes the moisture away from your skin. The reason why they put in a lot of alcohol content is because they are trying to purify and cleanse your skin with just their product. But we have the Lumispa, so this device really does a really good job cleansing your skin already. So there's nothing that you should put onto your face that has high alcohol content. Usually I use my finger to put on the uplifting cream because I do it after shower, so my fingers are very clean. But for those who are more cautious, you can always get a spatula like this and just scoop a little bit, and I would just, either you put it on like that or you put it onto your fingertips like that. Okay, that is how much I use, about a thumb's portion. And then I'm just gonna distribute it on my fingers and just tap. And then, okay, put it on your eye. Why not? Right? Because I use the Lumispa Ideal Eyes I think you can see that in my other YouTube video, but this one I just put it all over, including my ear and under my chin. This is quite important. So just twist it out like this, and then you immediately it pops out. So just put on your fingertips. This one just apply directly. I mean, like it's too precious to really rub around your fingertips and get your fingertips all absorbed with this goodness. Just keep absorbing it, and then I know you guys will like, oh, I really want to push your face up. I mean, I also do that, and that's a really bad habit. I shouldn't do that. So like definitely use more strokes more than like brute force on your skin with this blue pearl product. So just make sure you just massage it. Okay, I'm gonna smile after I put out this product. So no, a little bit. Okay, so now it's glowing. I'm gonna do the other side now. The NaPCA Moisture Mist, we have the Lumispa, and then we have the BH Pounds toner, which I recommend using toner in the morning because you don't have time for a mask, and then mask in the evening. Masks are so important. Okay, and then we have the uplifting cream paired with the blue pearls, the Tru Face Essence Ultra, and then this is what it looks like, and then this is what it looks like below blue pearls, and that's it. Guys, any questions, comment below and let me know if you would like to see more ingredients and infos on these products. Happy to share a bit more. Just DM us, DM me, Noelle, Angel, whoever you like, and we will send all this information to you. And guys, remember, if you like the products, do share with your friends. Share with your friends, and you will be able to receive a sharing bonus, and also you will be able to become a possibly become a part-time distributor, which can receive a passive income from all these products that you love. Hope you enjoyed it. Any questions, comment below and let us know how you think of our videos. And there's more training videos to come for these products, so stay tuned. See ya!